Hello students, in this video we will discuss about maximum heap tree or maximum heap property. Okay. Now for this maximum heap property means the parent should have maximum value than its child nodes. That is called maximum heap property. Now for the same example we will construct the maximum heap property. Okay. Now the heap tree is like this. Okay, with the following values 7, 34 and 18. Okay. Now what is a maximum heap tree? The parent should have greater value than its child nodes. Okay. Now the first we have to find the last non-leaf node in the heap tree. Last non-leaf node in the heap tree. Okay. Now what is the last non-leaf node? Here 7, 34 and 18 are leaf nodes. Okay. And what are the non-leaf nodes? 24 and 15. What is the last non-leaf node? 15 is the last non-leaf node. Why? We will arrange first left subtree then right. So we will say 15 is the last non-leaf node. Okay. Now you check whether the parent has maximum value than its child or not. Okay. Now what is its child? It has only one left child, that is 18. It has value 18. So 18 is greater than 15. Then what you have to do? Make a swap with these two nodes. So next what you will get after swapping? The tree will be like this: 12, 24 and here 18, 7, 34 and 50. Okay, finish. Now after this find the next non-leaf node. What is the next non-leaf node? 24. Now you check whether this parent node has a maximum value than its child or not. Okay. Now 34 is the maximum value. So what we have to do? We have to swap 24 and 34. So what is the structure of this next? That structure of tree will be like this. Okay, here 34 and 7, swap here 24, 18 and 50. Okay, next. Now next, what is the next non-leaf node? This is the next non-leaf. Now you compare with the child nodes. Okay, now 30, the child node, this left child node has greater maximum value than the remaining. So what we have to do? Swap these two. Okay, then what you will get next? 34, swap 12 here, 18, 7, 24 and 15. Now after swap again you check whether they are in maximum heap order or not. Now you compare with its child. Now 12 is smaller than 24. So what you have to do? Again you make a swap. Okay. So next what you will get? 34. Okay. Next here 24, 7, 12 and 18, 15. Next these are the leaf nodes. So no need to check. Now you check whether the tree is maximum heap or not. How you check? The parent should have maximum value. Okay. Now the last parent is 18. It has maximum value when we compare to its child nodes. Next is 24. 7 and 12 maximum value. Next 34 which has the maximum value. Then we call it as a maximum heap tree or heap property. Okay, maximum heap tree. Okay. Next, for the same tree we will construct the minimum heap tree. Okay. Okay, same. Okay. Now what is that tree? Here we have heap tree 12, 24, 15, 7, 13 and 18. So here what we have to do? First find the last non-leaf node. What is the first non-leaf node? 15 is the first non-leaf node. Now what is the minimum heap property? The parent should have minimum value than its child nodes. Okay. Now you check. The child node of this non-leaf node is only left child. where 15 is minimum than lesser than 18. So it is minimum. Correct. So next you check the next non-leaf node. Okay, the structure remain as it is. Now what is here next non-leaf node here? 24. You compare with 7 and 13. 7 is the minimum value. So what you have to do? Make a swap. So what you will get next this tree structure? 12. Left is 7. And here 24, 13, and next 15 and 18. Now next 12, compare with 12. Now the two child nodes are 7 and 15. So 7 is lesser value than 12 and 15. So swap 12 and 7. So what structure you will get next? Next like this: 7, 12, 15. This is 12. Okay, 24, 13 and 18. Again you check here. Okay, why? Because this is non-leaf node. Again you have to check after swap. So here 24 or 13 are maximum than 12. Okay, okay. Next you compare with finish. 15 already finished. Now you check whether the given whether the tree is minimum heap or not. So first check with the non-leaf node. Last node. 15 is smaller than 18. Okay. 12 is smaller than 24 and 13. Okay. Next 7. 7 is smaller than 12 and 15. So we call it as a minimum heap tree. Okay. This is arrangement of minimum and maximum heap trees. Okay.